Friends, welcome back to the my new video friends and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how to solve color problem. Guys, you can see guys, your phone screen color is different and guys you want to solve this problem. Guys, you have problem and guys you don't know how to solve this problem and guys how can you off this setting in your Tecno phone. So don't worry guys, in this video friends I will show you how can you solve this color problem. So we call it guys is color inversion problem. So friends, you want to solve your color inversion problem, so you can solve, and guys in this video I will show you how to solve color inversion problem. And guys, sorry for the guy this outside sound guys. Children are playing outside. So ignore the sound and guys focus on video. So when first of all open your phone setting friends. After phone setting guys, you will have to scroll it. And guys, you can see this type of the phone, Technophone settings. So friends, you can see your Technophone special function settings. So guys tap here to solve problem. Then guys scroll again. Accessibility setting, tap here, and guys again scroll. Friends, you can see color inversion mode setting, tap here, and friends you can see your color inversion mode shortcut setting you want to enable, you can enable from here. Guys, you can disable, and then you can see use color inversion. Guys tap here to solve this problem. So friends, you can see your screen color problem will solve, and guys you can see guys your color problem has solved in your Tecno phone. Guys, you can see. So I hope friends you understood how to solve color inversion in our Tecno mobile. So that's it again, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.